Hello guys. I'm back after a lot of time. I think the last video I uploaded was 3 months ago. Most probably, yes. I haven't looked at up yet. But this video is about something else. This video is about the MacBook Neo that I bought. Yeah, I bought a MacBook Neo 2 months ago. Almost it is now 2.5 months. So, in these 2.5 months, I have realized some things about this uh, magnificent, I can say, the laptop. Okay, so it is the budget laptop of Apple. So, first of all, I work in Web3. So, I will talk about like, is it good for Web3 people, like the blockchain people? Can they use it? Like, I generally use it for writing smart contracts, reviewing it, solving bugs and all. But sometimes I also use it for very hard development. Like, hard development, I mean something that requires a lot of RAM and storage. So I bought the base model, that is the 8 GB and 256 GB model. It doesn't have any fingerprint scanner because my budget was too low and I wanted to use the Apple product. So yeah, that is why I bought that. So over the past 2 months, I have noticed some things in this MacBook. Okay, some things are good, some things are not that good. Okay, because this is the budget laptop of Apple, so I cannot even expect more. But it delivers more than I expect. So the RAM is 8 GB. You might think it is very low, but trust me, if you just write smart contracts and just review it and do those kinds of things, then it is very much good. Okay, it is more than enough. It handles all of the things very smoothly. If you are worried about opening a lot of Chrome tabs, believe me, I open about 20 to 25 Chrome tabs at once and it doesn't lag. I also open Safari tabs at the same time. Also, I open VS Code at the same time. It doesn't even lag. So, now I'll talk about what it cannot do. Okay, what it cannot do. Like, if you make it do those things, it will, you know, it will show some lagging and thing. Like, not like lagging, but it will just stop. So those things are like, if you do very heavy development, like something that requires a lot of servers, like you are running 5 or 6 servers in your machine, and other than that you are running 2 or 3 Docker containers, then it will not work that much. Like, it will work, but it will be very slow and you will be impatient. So it is not for those kind of people. But for normal web development and all, it is very good. You can use it for your normal web development, like one front end, one back end. But if you want to build something very complex, like I was working on a project, like it used to deal with like 5 validator nodes, and other than that it had one front end node, one back end node, and one arbitrage bot node actually. So if you are running all of those together, it shows error. So you cannot do those kind of complex tasks with it. Like, I have done it in here in this, but it is causing some heat issues. That is the thing. If you do those kind of very heavy tasks, because this system is not built for those kind of very heavy development. This system is not built for those. But yeah, if you just wanna work on front end and back end and those kind of things, like, you can build a full stack application, a medium level one, not a very complex one, then it is very usable. Like, one front end server, one back end server, and all, you can use it for a lot of time. It doesn't show any error. Let's come to another point, that is, can you use AI code editors in this? So I have been using Codex in it. Okay, so Codex doesn't show that much of any lag in MacBook Neo. It doesn't show any much of lag and all, but sometimes it can be slow. Sometimes it can be so slow, because if you are running something in the VS Code, like you are running 3 or 4 servers in there, and other than that you are also running the codecs, then it is a little bit slow. Like, it is slow, but you can handle it. It is not that much of slow. It is a little bit of slow. Still, still better than Windows. I would say still better than Windows. But if you are running codecs for a very little bit of time, like you don't use that much of codecs, like if you don't vibe code a lot of time, like if you don't vibe code that much, then it is okay. But if you vibe code a lot, like if you use codecs for 10 to 12 hours, then I would say don't buy MacBook Neo. It cannot handle that. It is not built for that. Don't do that. I don't personally, for my use case, it is good because I don't use codecs that much. I generally use codecs for 3 to 4 hours a day. That's the max. Other than that, I don't even touch codecs. Yeah, it shows some error in there too. Not error, like some you know slowness, you can say slowness in there too, but it is handleable. Like, you can handle it. It is not that hard. You can handle it. So this is my review about MacBook Neo for Web3 people. And especially if you are into content, it is a great thing because trust me, the display is fantastic. If you are into content, then you can use it. But if you like, you can also use it for video editing, and the camera is also good. Like the video I'm shooting right now is from MacBook Neo camera. I'm not even using my phone camera. It is really good for content and all those kind of stuff in Web3. If you are non-tech background, I would heavily suggest just buy MacBook Neo. Don't have to go for the M5 or M4. You don't have to go for that. That is a waste of money. But if you are into tech roles, you might consider buying the M5 or M4. And by tech role, I mean if you are into very heavy development. But if you are only the smart contract engineer, just write smart contracts and all, then you can use MacBook Neo because from my personal experience, it works great. So that is my final review of it. See you guys in the next video.